Oh god, this is the best.
Okay, let's take a break.
Okay.
Ow, that hurt. You know what would be awesome?
What?
If we had a genie.
What is up with thee? I'm your genie.
What the heck? Where did you come from?
You wished for me, so I came. So what are your 3 wishes? What are they?
I wish for a pony.
Sorry, we are out.
Okay then. I wish for a lacrosse stick.
Okay.
Thanks.
Then I wish for a cowboy hat.
Okay. Here you go.
Yes!
You have 1 wish.
Let's go to Candy Mountain!
Let's go.